Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. You don't know what you've done to me. All right. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, there's some people who just like to view, and kindly subscribe because please subscribe. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be giving you some dinner ideas, and I hope you learn something, because in all of my videos, I like, or I wish that you learn something from it. So as much as it is very simple, like I'm not high, okay, but I hope you learn something, you get something, you have an idea of what to make for your family. So welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. I hope you will enjoy it, and if that will be the case, kindly, I'm begging you, give this video a thumbs up because it helps, and also comment if you can, and subscribe. So day one, we were making githeri for dinner, and because my kids were not around, they were not around at this particular point or this particular time. So it was just the two of us, and yeah, as you saw first, I put some hot water, boiled water in both my beans and maize, because they were frozen and I wanted to go chap chap. Like, I had no time, I was tired, I had just come from work, so I was tired and I wanted to make a very simple and easy and quick dinner. So this is what I did. Dinner is ready and served. I had made some cabbages off camera, so that's what I served it with. And I was boiling, as you can see, my kettle is on. I was boiling some water for chocolate, and yeah, it was so delicious. So on to day two, I was making some fries, chipo, and some chicken. So these are my potato. I had pre-boiled them like kidogo for some 5 minutes in boiling water. So I'll be frying that, and my chicken, I'm going to show you how I do it. But before I start frying our chipo, let me marinate our chicken. I'll be using chicken masala, garam masala, paprika, dark soy sauce, some vegetable oil, and yes, that's what I'll be marinating our chicken with, and then I'll put aside and start frying our potatoes or our rich chipo. Done with the marination of our chicken, so let's fry our chipo. Our pan is already on fire, and let me put in some oil. Mnajua kuchoma chipo, guys. I don't have to show you how to fry the potatoes, so I'm not going to be talking too much. Just follow it. I'll fry this, and then I will put in some spices. I'm going to show you the spices, so let's make this. So in another bowl, I'll sieve some flour and put some paprika. You can put whatever spices you like, but I used paprika, garam masala, coriander, and garlic powder to spice the flour. The flour I used to coat my French fries, my chipos, so that they can pop out the color. And also it makes it yummy because of the spices, or it makes it more delicious because of the spices. Let me show you how I did it, and then I'll show you how I mix with the French fries. So that mixture is what I use to put in our fries to make the color pop, and also to make it more tastier and yes, more tastier. After you've mixed with this mixture, you can decide to put it back to the oil, or you can just have it like that. It is still tastier. But when you put it back to the oil, it makes it crunchy a bit. So if you don't want it crunchy, you can eat it exactly when you put the spices and the flour. As for me, I decided to put it back to the oil because we wanted something crunchy and the color to more pop, if you get it, okay? So let me show you how I mixed my chipos and the flour. I put it in this bowl, and then I put in the spices, alafu I just mix them randomly na ndo hivyo, and then I put it back to the oil, but you can still have it just after you put the spices and the flour inside. And because I didn't want this video to be that long, I now cut short. So here is our nini is ready. Our chicken, after I had marinated it, I just dipped in the oil, and then our fries are ready. Also, you can see the way they are golden brown, and they were so tasty, so yummy. So kindly try this at home and let me know in the comment section how you has turned out. Served mine with some chicken and tomato sauce hapo kando. And then with some juice, of course. If you know, you know. So yeah, it was so yummy. It was so delicious. We enjoyed it, and I will make this when my kids come back, because my son has to taste this, because guys, it was so delicious.